Hello people of YouTube and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Matt. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and, check me out. Today we are doing this sort of like little look here. I bought a new palette right before rocking the daisies. I didn't need it, but I wanted it. So, the Beauty Treats Deluxe Pro palette. I bought this and I just kind of wanted to play with it, so I figured I would play with it with you guys. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got 28 shadows. 16 of them are matte and probably shimmers. It also has this it has these four blushes and 2 bronzers. This is not a bronzer for your girl. And I don't really use blush, so I'll probably use it all as like eyeshadow anyways. But yeah, this is what we're doing. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways, because it'll totally benefit me and it won't hurt you. At least I don't think it'll hurt you. Okay, yeah, whatever. Please enjoy that video, and I will let you get to it. So I have my music here because I realized every time I try to do it in the back, it just does not do the things. And then I have to do voiceover and cancel out the music. And there's my kitchen. Student accommodation, guys. Anyway, so I know it's this side. If I end up looking this side, like, don't stress. That's why. I'm gonna start my eyebrows. We're using my Benefit Brow in color 5. I legit cannot wait until the holidays because I'm so tired and I feel like I've just lost my motivation for doing school things. Actually, I feel like I just want to sleep all the time. Just gonna fill it in here with random side motions. Granted, I don't think like everyone in the world likes their eyebrows as dark as I do, but whatever. It's also mostly because, my wig is actually not like brown or anything, it's like black, pitch black, because I'm not clever. I thought, oh hey, I want 1B. Would you look at that, guys? Your girl has an eyebrow. Don't mind the changing light. I decided on this day that I'm going to use the natural light outside because, I don't know, my skin looks a lot nicer the light over there than it does with the lights over here. And I'm just going to use the spoolie for my Goof Peru brow pencil, which is finished. Yeah, I need to go get another one. I'd been meaning to, but also school hair. Not to mention, I guess I don't really absolutely need one right this second. Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. It's a bit brown because this is all I use it for, and this is how I use it, so it's, forever in my eyebrow product. Now that we've got ourselves some brows, which will hopefully stay exactly as they are right now, we're going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and we're going to just make the eyebrows stand out a little bit and put down a base for my eyeshadow, where we're going to be using this palette I bought. That's new. Yeah, so I got this palette for like daisies, and I used it there. I mean, technically buying a whole palette to go to rocking the daisies is probably a little overkill, but I mean, I'm definitely not mad at buying it. So, yeah. I mean, if you guys are keen to see any of the looks I did on daisies, let me know. I will recreate them and we shall see. Anyways, I bought this palette right before rocking the daisies. I was supposed to be buying like baby wipes, but then, life, because I'm me and I get super distracted when I see makeup, and it's like, hey, I need that palette I got is this Deluxe Pro palette from Beauty Treats. I legit walked to the discount and I was like, okay, baby wipes, baby wipes, baby wipes. And then because they put the makeup section like right at the door, I mean, obviously I had to have like a little bit of a look around, and I was like, well, and then, you know, my friend was like on the other side, and I was just like, oh, what you doing over there? And she goes, Max, come here. And I'm like, what's up, Lord? I'm coming. And then she shows me this, and I'm like, oh my God. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So far I've used, I think, what, this one, this one, and like one of the shimmers. I think it was this one. But yeah, basically I'm going to do my whole eyes using just this palette. So, you know, because I want to play with it a little bit. And yeah, I'm not entirely sure what we're going to do yet, but I mean, look at the choices I have. The awesome choices from my drugstore palette. Sort of angled brush, and I'm going to go in with this really light color here. And I'm just gonna sort of set like over there right above the crease, because why not? There in a crease, a little. Just gonna blend that out to the tops over there, and let me bring it down a little, and there, and move in there, and I guess, I don't know, I'm just circles, lines. I'm just making a mess on my eye for being 100% honest with ourselves, but it's okay. Again, with this color over here, and we're just gonna sort of, I guess, darken that area and bring it in a little. Just gonna pop that in that corner there and bring it in a little. So you just want to darken it a tad. I'm just gonna keep patting it because we want that color to say, hey bitch. Just gonna keep going. I'm gonna pull it across a little, because why not? And honestly, I think that's pretty decent. And just bring it in a little more to the bottom here, and we'll just carry on patting and patting and patting. We're gonna do. I'm gonna go with the purple. Yeah, we're gonna go with the purple, and I think I'm just gonna darken that corner a little more and stuff it up on that side. We'll just like right there, right on top of it. Same brush, I know, math. Why aren't you using clean brushes? But it's fine. It's all one makeup bag, and I'll take it off anyways. Ooh, I'm not mad. I'm legit not mad. Quite like this actually. I did want to make it darker though, so I'm not sure if I need to. I'm just gonna drag that again. Yeah, more patting. Okay, so I purpled it up. So we're basically done with that purple. I think I'm going to throw in the blue anyways and just see how that goes. I'll probably just do it in that corner there because I don't actually want to do too much. So we're just I'm gonna pick up some of the blue here, same brush, because your girl's lazy AF right now. I'm not even hitting the pan. I mean the shadow. No, you can tell I haven't been sleeping very much, but hey. Just gonna take that blue now, and we're just gonna yeah, we'll just do that right there and that sort of small patting motions. Give it a little bit of an edge. I'm going to pull it outwards. Yeah, I think that's decent. I'm going to go ahead and do this to this side. So that's what these colors are like, basically. I don't know. What do I do? Take my Boutique cream eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to spray it with the Mod setting spray that I have to just dampen it, smudge, and then we're going to go in with, I don't have names or anything, we're going to go in with this color here, which is a sort of champagne-y looking one. This will look like on the thing. Tapping off my excess. I'm just going to try and I'm just going to tap it in. Which, I mean, I guess if I had put something down, it might have made a bit of a difference, but whatever. Yeah, I should actually technically be doing my school project, but I'm not really feeling it too much. I mean, I'll probably do it like when I'm done with this. Like, I'll definitely do it because it does need to get done, and if I don't do it, I will not pass. And I need to pass. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back, and I'll probably like do that bottom thing with you guys on the camera, and then I'll just kind of give my thoughts and opinions on the little palette here, and whether I like it or not, and how using it was, and I don't know. I'll just talk and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I've done my face basically. We're going to go back in with this real quick. The purple and the pinky color, and I'm going to mix them together, and I'm going to put them at on my bottom lash line. My thoughts and opinions of it. I like the outside. I think it's pretty. That's why I picked it up, because I like pretty things. I thought it would have been quite cool if the things had names. They don't, but I mean, it does tell you what's inside it. It gives you all the info. There are 28 matte and shimmer shadows, 16 of which are matte, which I think is awesome because I quite like matte shadows. Because I mean, I only use shimmers as ooh, here's my pop, you know. And honest, they have colors I really, really like. For like these three, I think I would say are my favorites because they're just colors I really, really, really like. I am obsessed with like burgundies and plums, and I mean, hello, need I say more? I'm not the biggest fan of like the shimmers. Like, for example, this one, it's meant to be like a brown with red flakes, but now when you swatch it, it's, I don't know if you can see that, it's just brown. It's, I mean, there's like flecks of thingy in here, but I tried to use it the other day with like my brush, and the flecks of red don't really come out, so it doesn't really do much for me in terms of like being a shimmer or whatever. So I don't know, I wasn't all that impressed with it, but I don't know, overall I like it. There was a little bit of fallout like on the palette, but not that much, so I'm not too bothered because like my Inglass eyeshadows and some of my matte ones, like they also have like, you know, a little amount of fallout, like not something that's like hectically noticeable. I mean, it was a little bit noticeable here, but it's like it's nothing because there's still just like so much here. I didn't actually get into like the blushes and stuff because they give you these 28 eyeshadows, and then you've got like your 4 blushes here and 2 bronzers. This is definitely not a bronzer, at least not for me, personally speaking. too light. I mean, do you see that? I swatched it on this finger. I don't know who is being bronzed by this, but it's okay. I guess not everything is, you know, for everyone. That's so true. This one, though, I do quite like. Except it's like glittery, so it's kind of like, would I really use it as a bronzer per se? Probably not. I think I'd probably use it more for like eyeshadow. I mean, look at how pretty that is. I think we'll try that. Let's see if... Oh, shit. Yeah, see that? There is some fallout. It's not hectic, but it's noticeable enough. One tap and it picks up a ton. Which is insane. Can I just put out there? I'm just gonna... Oh, it's so orange looking. I don't know, I've never done blush in my life, so this is an interesting thing. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm a blush person. Back to my opinions of this thing. Yeah. I could probably use these as like eyeshadows. So I'm not bothered that it comes with all the blushes because I definitely will have use for them. I can figure something out. But yeah, overall I do like the palette. I would give it like a 7, 6.5, 7 out of 10. No, 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 because I like how many colors they have. But also the shimmers aren't actually that great, and from what I've seen, shimmers generally tend to be like the easier things to formulate. So I don't know what happened here. Or maybe I'm just using it wrong. I don't know. I'll do it again and I can see what is up and how I feel. I do quite like this blush, which I probably won't use as a blush. I think I might use it as an eyeshadow. It's actually a really pretty, like, orangey kind of color. Yeah, I like it. So I'll definitely use it, just I'm not sure I'd use it like that. Also, it's magnetic. How cool is that? It cost me, I think, 189 Rand. I think. Yeah, I don't remember, but I think it was around that price, which I don't think is too bad considering how many different like shadows you're getting and the different things you can use and play with. And I like it. I would recommend it. If any of you have it and you use it, I think let me know what your thoughts are, how you feel about it. Shadows and stuff, they are quite powdery, but it doesn't bother me. I quite like what I've managed to do with it, so I'm happy. And looks, because that's actually really cool. My Instagram is @MissAnnaTuasi if you feel like, you know, hitting your girl up, following your girl. Links down below. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you did not like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways. And you can check out my last video somewhere on the screen